Welcome to aminacademy.com. In IB Diploma Mathematics, let us discuss about exponentials. We often deal with the numbers that are repeatedly multiplied together. For example, number 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, like it goes. Here, first, how many 3's are multiplied together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, which can be written as 3 power 5, which means 3 is repeatedly multiplied for 5 times. And one more example. Here, 1 over 5 into 1 over 5 into 1 over 5 into 1 over 5. This can be written as 1 over 5 is repeatedly multiplied for 4 times. So we have to use this index power. Now, in general, x power y, which means this is the base, this is the power index, y is the power index or exponents. Now, in general, look at here, a power n can be written as a into a into a into a, then continue into a n times. So there are n factors. N repeated factors. Now, for example, list the power of, say, sixth power of 3. Sixth power of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, by using the calculator, you can use 3 power 6 equal 729. Here, 5 power 1 equal 0, 8 power 1 equal to 0, 1 over 5 power 1. 5 power 0 is 1, sorry. Anything power 0 equal to 1. That is 5 power 0 equal to 1, 8 power 0 equal to 1, 1 over 3 power 0 equal to 1. That means any base power 0 is always 1. Now, look at this pattern. It's called Nicomache's pattern. Very interesting pattern. A mathematician, Nicomacheus, discovered an interesting number pattern involving cubes and sum of odd numbers. For example, look at here, 1 cube, 1 equal to 1 cube we can write. Then next odd is 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, two odd numbers. That power can be written is 2 cube. Of course, here 3 plus 5 equal to 8. 2 cube is 8. Then next pattern, 7 plus 9 plus 11. Here simply you can write it is 3 cube. Without calculating, just directly you can write 3 cube, but you can calculate and check. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 11 is 21, 27, that is 3 cube. Next pattern is 13 plus 15 plus 17, of course, 4 cube. Here, 4 cube is what? 4 cube is 64. If you add them is 64. Means, no, one more. Here, 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 is 4 cube. 4 cube is 64, but you can add this one also 64. Here, 28, 45, 45, 64. This is a very interesting pattern. We can enlarge this pattern on any cube of numbers. That is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube. Now, next one, evaluating the power. We can use the calculator and evaluating power for some bases here. Look at here. Minus 5 power 3. Here, minus 5 power 3 is what you mean? That is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. 3 times minus 5 is multiplied. Here, the index, the power is odd. Odd power of minus is minus. Simply you can write 5 and 5 cube is 125. Next one, 3 power minus 4. What do you mean this 3 power minus 4? 3 power negative 4 is 3, which can be written as 1 over 3 power 4. Then, therefore, here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 1 over 81. Now, some interesting example here. What is the last digit of? What is the last digit of 7 power 217? Look at here. If you use this calculator directly, there is no space because it's a very high power. That is, it comes more digits. But we can understand what is the last digit of this answer. For this, start with 7 power 1 is 7. 7 power 2 is 7 into 7 is 49. 7 power 3 by using calculator 343. 343. 7 power 4 is 2401 by using calculator. 7 power 5 is 116807. 7 power 6 is 117649. Look at here, this 7 power 1, it finished 7, 9, 2 is 9, 3, 1. Then the pattern is repeating. That means the powers, last digits are 7, 9, 3, 1, and further starting with 7, 9, 3, 1, like it goes. And this, but we have to find what is the last digit of 7 power 217. It can be expressed as 7 power 216 plus 1, means 7 power 216 into 7. Further, this 7 power, it is a 4 times something here. 7 power 216 is here 4 4 times what is 216? 54. That is 54 into 4 into 7 power 1. Here, this for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 powers, it is 7 it finish. So then next is 7 power 5 here. So therefore, this 7 comes here. Therefore, the last digit of 7 4 to power 17 is 7. That means without complete calculation, we can find the last digit of this 7 power 217 is 7. Like this, anything power of 7, the last digit we can find by using this pattern. Now, let us start some index law. Index law. Here, index law, that is law of indices, also I can write it, where here a power m into a power n, these bases are equal, the indices is m and n, then we can say it is equal to a, the power is added. Like that, division, a power m divide a power n, which is equal a power m minus n. That means for division of the same basis and the different powers, the powers are subtracted. Then a power m power n, which is equal a power mn, m into n, that is power is multiplied. The next one is a into b power n, which is equal a power n into b power n. Next is a over b power n is equal a power n divided by b power n. Here b is not equal to 0. Then anything power 0 is always 1, where a is not equal to 0. Then next, a power negative power n, which is equal 1 over a power positive n. And 1 over a power negative power n is nothing but a power n. Next is a power minus 1 is always equal 1 over a, where a is not equal to 0. So far we discussed about introduction on exponential. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.